Danielle Lloyd has admitted she's gutted that Stacey Solomon has used her baby name. The 37-year-old is currently pregnant with her fifth child. Danielle, who has already mum to 4 boys Archie, Harry, George, and Ronnie, will be welcoming her first daughter into the world very soon. The star and husband Michael O'Neill have been scratching their heads over what to call her baby girl. And unfortunately Stacey, who gave birth last week on her birthday, picked the moniker they were most keen on. Danielle recently told OK! Magazine, "Sadly, Stacey Solomon chose Rose, which was one of our favorites. We're gutted, haha." She added, "When I saw Stacey's girl's name, I texted Michael going, 'No. She's called her Rose.' It is a really cute name, though. However, they will still incorporate Rose into their little girl's name." Danielle explained, "It was a really meaningful name to Michael as well, but we will still have Rose somewhere in her name." The model shared the exciting news she was expecting back in May 2021. Speaking to Closer, Danielle revealed, "I can't wait to become a family of 7. I know there's a risk it'll be another boy though. Having 5 boys would be totally mad. But, of course, the main thing I want is for the baby to be healthy. And if it's not a girl, we'll just try again after." Back in 2018 she revealed that she had considered gender selection to have a girl and her sons were desperate for a little sister. In July her dreams came true after she was told she was expecting her first daughter. The telly favorite is already mum to 3 boys, Archie, Harry, George, who she shares with ex-husband Jamie O'Hara. She shares her youngest son, Ronnie, with Michael, who she wed in 2019. Stacey and fiancé Joe Swash welcomed her daughter Rose into the world on October 4, 2021. After a week of fans guessing their name choice, the new mum revealed that they have called her Rose Opalesme Solomon Swash. The couple, who got engaged last year, are also parents to Rex, 2. Stacey is also mum to Layden, 9, and Zachary, 13, who are from previous relationships. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.